Installing Prestashop on cPanel is simple and requires just a few steps. Here's how to do it. Log into cPanel. Access your cPanel account through your hosting provider and enter your credentials. Create a database. In cPanel, go to MySQL databases. Create a new database and user, then add the user to the database with all privileges. Keep these details as you will need them during installation. Download Prestashop. Visit prestashop.com and download the latest Prestashop version. Extract the zip file on your computer. Upload Prestashop to File Manager. In cPanel, open File Manager and go to your website's root directory. Upload and extract the Prestashop files here. Start the installation. In your browser, navigate to your domain. This will start the Prestashop installation wizard. Follow Installation Wizard. Select your language, agree to the terms, and enter your database details. Complete installation. After setup, delete the install folder from the root directory for security. Access the admin panel to start configuring your store.